Imagine no out-of-stock signs, no long checkout lines, just a seamless, hyper-personalized experience while shopping. Sounds like 2040? Actually, it's the reality of retail in 2026. Hey everyone, AI is not a future tech anymore, it's an invisible engine. As per the report by Mordor Intelligence, the online retail market is estimated at $4.08 trillion in 2026. It is projected to grow to USD 5,517.3 billion by 2031 at 6.22% CAGR. But for a retail business owner, the real question isn't whether AI is good, it's how much it costs and will it actually help to grow my retail business? Well, in this video, we're breaking down AI in retail, the tech, the costs, and the challenges you need to know to stay ahead. Let's start with 5 AI technologies dominating the retail business. Hyper-personalization and recommendation engines. This is actually the Netflix effect for shopping. AI analyzes browsing history and real-time behavior to suggest the exact product a customer wants before they even know they want it. Computer vision and smart checkout. AI-powered cameras now track items in real time, which enables just walk out technology and reduces shrinkage by 20%. Predictive inventory and demand forecasting. AI looks at past sales, weather patterns, local events, and social media trends to tell you exactly how many units to stock, which cuts waste by nearly 15%. Generative AI for conversational commerce. AI agents act as digital shopping assistants that handle complex queries and close sales autonomously. Dynamic pricing algorithms. Much like Uber's surge pricing, AI helps retailers adjust prices in real time based on competitor moves and current demand that boosts margins by up to 10%. So, like this, AI is transforming the retail industry across the globe. But let's talk about numbers. How much does it cost to build an AI-powered retail app? Well, it depends on the complexity of the solution. Basically, the complexity divides into 3 major parts. Entry level, the MVP. A basic AI chatbot or simple recommendation engine can cost between $10,000 and $25,000. Mid-tier, the growth phase. Predictive analytics for inventory or dynamic pricing systems usually range from $30,000 to $60,000. Enterprise level. Full-scale smart warehouse robotics or computer vision systems for multiple stores can easily cross on $100,000 mark. Now, it is also essential to have a reality check by knowing the challenges while integrating AI in retail. Basically, AI is not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. You must keep enhancing. Here are the 3 main traps to avoid. Keep your data correct and reliable. AI is only as smart as the data you give it. If your inventory lists are messy or your customer records are outdated, the AI will make wrong and expensive guesses. Clean your data first. Prioritize personalization and privacy. Today, trust is everything. If customers feel spied on rather than helped, they'll leave. So with strict UAE data laws, you must balance personalization and privacy. Ensure connection between old and new systems. Your new AI needs to connect with your old checkout or warehouse software. If these systems don't sync, you'll end up with more manual work, not less. Before ending this video, let's find out 3 easy steps to get started with AI in retail. Start small. Don't automate the whole store on day 1. Pick one time drain, like customer FAQs or inventory tracking, and start there. Clean your data. Before buying a single tool, ensure your product catalogs and customer IDs are accurate. Choose the right partner. You need a team by partnering with the best retail development company like Apptunix that understands retail logic and technology. At Apptunix, we specialize in building AI retail solutions that drive ROI. From AI-driven storefronts to smart supply chains, our team helps you navigate the 2026 landscape with ease. So, are you ready to grow your retail business with artificial intelligence? Click the link in the description to book a free AI consultation today. Let's build the future of shopping together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next video.